Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a OPPO A16s. First of all, open your Google application. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Next up, go into a Google Assistant and here choose Hey Google and voice match option. Now here tap Get Started. And now need give access to your assistant, tap Next and I agree. How you can see Hey Google is ready to use, tap Continue and not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.